I've never been built for approval. I question things most people accept. I feel uncomfortable when I'm boxed in, controlled, or told to think smaller. I move differently, think deeper, and I don't need permission to believe in myself. While others wait to be validated, I decide. While others avoid tension, I lean into it. I'm not reckless, I'm deliberate. I understand that growth demands risks, and that comfort is expensive. It costs me my potential. I don't run from fear because I know it exposes the exact part of me that needs to evolve. I sit with it, I learn from it, and come back stronger. I don't owe anyone an explanation for the standards I live by. I don't negotiate with doubt. I don't shrink to make people comfortable. I hold myself to a code most people couldn't survive for a week. I'm not here in this world to live up to your expectations. I'm here to live up to mine. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Fear is a teacher, and I don't skip class.